What's going on, everybody? Have you guys ever thought about getting a digital TV converter box or a signal finder?
Why are you talking like that?
They're great to use on TVs.
What's the signal finder for?
To find signal, up to 60
It's an
miles.
antenna.
Up to 60 miles.
Your television.
Oh, okay.
It's an Ultra Pro,
It's a
and it's
TV.
extra long. It's a 4K and a built-in signal meter. Now you just place it by the TV, turn it on, and then voila! This is a remote. It's a digital TV converter box, but don't let it trick you.
Show them.
It's a remote.
With a box.
This is what you do. It has a program guide, a parental control, program recording, USB connection, and it includes a remote. You can record live TV on this. It's a dual tuner, and it has a 1-year warranty. I'm out.
Welcome back to my channel, Easy Choice Reviews, where I do the tech reviews to help give you an easy choice. Today we're going to be doing something a little bit different. I'm at my mom's house, I'm not at my studio or my house, and we're going to be reviewing a TV antenna, digital TV antenna, and she's got an older TV without a converter in it, so we have a digital converter box as well. I picked these up at Walmart and Best Buy, but I'm pretty sure you can pick these up on Amazon too. I'll leave the links below, and we'll go ahead and do the unboxing and show you the install. This is the Allure Tech digital TV converter box. It also has a DVR built into it, and it's a dual tuner. Comes with some RCA cables, a nice remote. You're supposed to be able to watch one stream as well as record another at the same time. You've got a power cord built in. You've got RCA jacks, an in and an out, coaxial cable, coaxial audio out, and an HDMI out. You've got a USB on the front. I believe you can watch movies and videos off of that, as well as upgrade firmware from there. You've got power and then up and down arrows, and that's about it. And the Ultra Signal Finder HD amplified antenna. They vary in range. This one happens to be 60 miles. You're supposed to be able to stand this up, sit it upright, hang it on a wall. Several different options. It's got an inline amplifier with power. And it's also got signal readings on the front here. Some mounting screws. Here's a power cable. And a stand. So let's go ahead and get this connected and go from there. Okay guys, so the deal was I installed this Ultra Pro signal finder that I got from Walmart. My mom lives in a pretty remote area, and this thing's only rated for about 60 miles, and I think a lot of the channels were about 61. The signal was not that great from this, so as you can tell from the video, there was a lot of choppiness. I went ahead and ordered her a new one off of Amazon that I'm gonna have to mount to the roof. I'm gonna go ahead and mount that on the location near her Dish Network, and I'm gonna use the lines that she has for Dish Network to go ahead and hook her TV up to this, or hook the system up. So let's go ahead and do the unboxing. Let me get a knife real quick, and we'll go ahead and open this up. All right, I did check some reviews, and this one seemed to have some pretty good reviews. 1x1 is the brand. This one's rated for 120 miles, I believe it is. It does mount on the roof. It looks pretty simple, and one of the smaller ones, so I'm hoping it works out well. There was some of these that I was looking at Amazon, but if you don't read the fine print, then you'll get it and you won't be able to install it because you never ordered a pole and you didn't realize that you needed a pole. They have them listed in the fine print. This one says it comes with the pole. So they actually have a number if you're having trouble and need help to install. They've got a number you can call, which is pretty nice. It gives you the frequency ranges and how to set it up. Coaxial cable. We've got a bracket here. This looks like the mounting bracket. It'll mount flush on the wall or on the ceiling, and it'll allow the pole to swing. And here's the antenna. I believe these swing out, and then you have to tighten these here. We'll go ahead and tighten that for you. Might as well get it all ready to go. Swing that one out, tighten it. Looks like these wing nuts just clamp right on. There's a clamp here, so you undo it and the pole goes right here and clamps on. That's pretty nice. This thing is actually really lightweight. I'm pretty surprised at how lightweight it is. Here's the mounting pole. It's gonna mount right on there, and then the antenna will mount right there. We'll have to mount it something like that, and then this will go on top of it pointing towards the antennas. Here is part of the amplifier. Here's the power to the amplifier. And some mounting bolts. And the bolts to tie that down. And there you go. That's it. That's what we're going to be installing. Pretty simple. We'll go ahead and head out and show you the install. Alright guys, we're here at my mom's house. We're going to go ahead and mount this antenna. We're going to use the existing coaxial cable for the Dish Network since it's already running down there. We have to disassemble the LMB here to get to the cable, and then we'll just reroute it over here. So we'll do that first, and then we'll mount the antenna. We got a 10 millimeter. And we're gonna mount this on there. And once you have it pointed in the direction you want, you just want to tighten all the wing nuts down. Connect the coaxial cable. So we'll go ahead and plug that in and twist it on. Then we'll pick our stuff up here and we'll connect the power amplifier down by the TV. Alright guys, now that we've installed the antenna and the digital box at my mom's house, everything seems to be working great. The antenna, like I said, is 120 mile distance rating, and the channels are just above 60 miles. So I think that's why the 60-mile one just wasn't quite getting it. It would pick up the channels, but they wouldn't come in clear. So we bumped up to this outside antenna, and it seems to be working great. If you'd like to find out what any of the products are that I purchased, I'll leave links to all the products below. I hope this video helped you. If it did, go ahead and give me a like. If you enjoyed this video, go ahead and click subscribe and the bell so you can get notifications of my future videos. You also can go ahead and go to our website, easychoicereviews.com. We'll have all the links there. You can follow us on any social media that we have available. And we'll look forward to seeing you in the next video.